Are you feeling tired again and again, even after rest? Many people dismiss fatigue as stress, age, or a busy lifestyle, but sometimes fatigue is not just tiredness. It can be an early warning sign that something deeper is going on inside the body. Today, let us see how fatigue may be hiding disease and how AI may help doctors detect warning signs earlier. Fatigue is one of the most common symptoms in medicine. Sometimes it is caused by poor sleep, lack of exercise, stress, or unhealthy habits. But it can also be a symptom of illness that needs treatment. Mayo Clinic says fatigue may be linked to lifestyle issues, medicines, depression, or underlying illness. Medical sources also show that fatigue can appear in anemia, sleep apnea, diabetes, depression, hypothyroidism, and other chronic conditions. So, if your tiredness is constant, unexplained, or getting worse, it should not be brushed aside. Let us look at a few examples. Anemia. When your body does not have enough healthy red blood cells, you may feel weak, tired, dizzy, or short of breath. Sleep apnea. You may be sleeping all night, but if your breathing keeps stopping and restarting, your sleep quality drops. NHLBI says sleep apnea can cause daytime sleepiness and fatigue. Diabetes. Fatigue can be one of the common symptoms of diabetes. High or low blood sugar can both leave a person feeling drained. Depression. Not all fatigue is physical. Depression can affect energy, motivation, sleep, and daily function. Thyroid problems. An underactive thyroid can slow the body down and cause ongoing tiredness, cold sensitivity, weight gain, and brain fog. Now here is where AI becomes interesting. AI can look at very large amounts of health data much faster than humans alone. In healthcare, AI and machine learning are already being used in medical devices and decision support tools to help identify patterns that may matter for diagnosis or risk assessment. The FDA says AI-enabled and AI/ML medical devices are already part of the current device landscape in the United States. In the fatigue story, one of the clearest examples is sleep apnea. Research reviews show AI models are showing promise in detecting or helping diagnose obstructive sleep apnea using physiological and sleep-related data. Wearables are also becoming more useful for monitoring sleep and fatigue-related signals over time, which may support earlier review and better risk assessment. But we must be honest here. AI does not mean your phone alone can diagnose every cause of fatigue. Fatigue is a broad symptom with many possible causes. AI is better understood as a tool that may help detect patterns, flag risks, support monitoring, or help doctors make earlier decisions. It should support clinical judgment, not replace it. That is also consistent with FDA guidance on safe and effective AI/ML medical devices. Fatigue deserves attention if it lasts for weeks, it is getting worse, it happens even after enough rest. It comes with shortness of breath, dizziness, chest pain, loud snoring, weight change, low mood, or poor concentration. These signs can point toward causes that need medical review. So the message is simple. Fatigue is not always just tiredness. Sometimes it is the body's first warning sign. And as AI grows in healthcare, it may help detect hidden problems earlier. By spotting patterns in sleep, breathing, wearable, and medical data, listen to your body. Do not ignore ongoing fatigue. Early attention can make a big difference. If you enjoy learning how AI may help detect health problems early, please like, share, and follow this channel.